Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy beaded crocheted hoop earrings. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You're going to need some black crochet thread and a small crochet hook. This is a size 3. 2 split rings, ear wires, and pliers to attach your ear wires to your earring base. And I've used 20 small silver-lined glass beads and some scissors and a needle with a large enough eye for threading the black crochet thread through. Okay, we're going to start by crocheting single crochets all around the ring. So to start that, we're going to place the hook through the ring, and we're going to pick up the thread and bring it through, and then using both strands just make one chain stitch and then pull on your end of your yarn just to tighten that up. But doing that first chain stitch with both strands just locks the thread in place. So now we're just going to single crochet all around this ring. So we're just going to pick up the yarn and bring it through and bring it through too. And that's your basic single crochet stitch. And I'm going to do that all the way around this ring. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do some more of those, then I'll come back and show you how that looks. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I have crocheted single crochets all around the ring, as many as I could squeeze on there so that all of the metal of the ring is covered up. Okay, so now I'm just going to slip stitch to join. Okay, so now we can go ahead and cut our thread and pull it through that last stitch, like that. And now we can tie these two together in a square knot. So now we can thread the yarn thread ends through a needle, like that. Pass that thread through the stitches a couple of times. And then we can just cut off the extra. And we're going to do that to both ends. Okay, so now I have a needle and thread, and I've made a knot in the end of my thread, and I'm going to attach it anywhere along the stitches. And I'm going to tug that knot so that it's fairly hidden. And then I'll just take a stitch to get started. Pick up a bead on my needle and I'll thread through, and then I'll move about 1/4 of an inch with the thread and have it come out about 1/4 of an inch. So now I'll pick up another bead on my needle and move along about 1/4 of an inch. So I've gone ahead and I've sewn a bead about every 1/4 of an inch all the way around on our hoop earring, and then I've attached an ear wire just through one of the stitches. And that's how easy it is to make these easy beaded crocheted hoop earrings.